Hello, this is a quick video on doing digital signatures in Instanet. Every one of our members have an Instanet free account. So to do a quick signature, you would go over to the transaction, which is the house. And this way you can insert a form or you could do a listing packet. What you want to do is start a new transaction by clicking on the plus. Then you give it a name. I'll call this one test. In this case, I'm not going to be a listing agent, but if you are a listing agent, selling agent, or both, you would put that in so your information would be in. Press create. So if you were listing a property, you would put the property details on this first page. I'm going to do a quick signature using a document. So I'm using the next. In the contacts part, if you add anybody that might be signing it, it will make the whole signing a lot smoother process. So in this case, I'm doing general. Otherwise, I could put a buyer or a seller in there. And I'm just going to see, let's call this test client. Make sure that you get their email address. I'm going to put my own in here for practice, as I usually do. It's always a good idea to practice. Then press save. On the next step, we are not going to do MLS forms, but this is where you would add them. I'm going to add a document, which is a miscellaneous form, anything that you would want signed that you would upload, scan in, email into this program. So I'm going to click on the plus. I'm going to drag and drop files from my computer. I use the COVID form as an example. It's on my desktop. And it is considered a document because it's not one of the Instanet forms, so I'm uploading it. It's right. Hold on, let me find it. It is NYSAR COVID disclosure. Here it is. So I can open this up right now and create the digital signature. So here's my pen. It's called Authentisign. And we'll just do a quick signing line. Participants is test client, the one that I put in there. Here he is, test client. We have their email. They're a remote signer. Nice and simple because I've already added them in. It knows what we're signing. And the last step, which is step 4, is your design. So in design, since this is not a fillable form, you have some tools on the right that you could use. Signer's name could go there. The date can go there. And the signature block would go there. Okay, you have other tools over there, but that makes it really easy. This is where you would put in your information. Again, it's not fillable. So here is a way that you can do that is to create text boxes in spaces that you can't type on. Learned that one from being home and everybody wanting to learn digital signatures. So once you've done that, you can type in your name and then your office. I'm going to make this abbreviated for time's sake, and then press next, and then you send the invitation, wait for them to sign. And that is the quick digital signature